Anybody want to offer some suggestions on how to keep these pods from reversing themselves periodically?
As for your thruster issue, the pods themselves, did you keep upright the pods themselves so the pods can't flip?
But they can't move like
lag.
Change directions.
Oh, true, they can't move completely to change shit. I'm trying to think of ways to keep them from flipping completely. Well, couldn't you? How much do you have to move left to right? I mean, technically, you could put props on either side to block them from flipping all the way.
Limit it. That's a good idea.
Limit it, make limiters, and then just make them invisible where no one can see them. Right, limit its angle, and then make it where no one can see them. And then they wouldn't be able to flip over, if you know what I mean.
Well, that would be recoding the E2.
Why would you have to recode the E2? Couldn't you just put the props in it to block it?